guys, in this video I'll be showing you steps on how to add a text behind a person using CapCut. The first thing I do is to pick the video I want to use from my album, and then I remove the background. You click on cutout and then click on remove background. So you wait for it to load the 100. You wait for it to load. So after, what I do next is to change the background color to green. I mean the color for green screen color. So I click on this app, I click on Canva and then go to color and pick green color. Not too green, but like this, not too green, so light green. I pick on the color and then I save the video because we're still gonna be using the video. I save the video and then later on click on done and come back to CapCut again. I undo all these things. So later on and click on add text. Click on add text. Maybe you be using your name, but here I'm not using my name, I'm just using Smith. So you put your text and then you choose any font of your choice. You can use any fonts, there are great fonts on this CapCut. And then I choose animation. Here I choose jiggly, and I set it at 0.8. so I use jig and I set this at 0.8 and I bring it out to the end of the video because it will not even show if we don't bring it out. So I bring it out to the end of the video. The next thing I do here is I started adding keyframes. I click on the first one, I zoom it, I drag again, I click on the keyframe, I adjusted it, I'm moving it forward, but as I'm moving it up I reduce the size of the text. So you keep on doing it till the end of the video. You can just do anything you want, but here I'm just reducing the size of the text and moving the text up. As I'm reducing, I'm moving the text. So just adjust it the way you want. Just suit yourself and choose anything. So adjusting it. I think this is the last keyframe I'm gonna be putting. So I put the keyframe and I play the video. So just check it out. As it's moving forward, it keep on reducing. So I save this video again. Yeah, I save it again and again. Okay. So I click on new project again and I import the video I saved, and then I click on overlay and place this green screen video on the screen. Adjust it and click on the green screen video and you click on chroma key. You set it into the green background and then you reduce the intensity to, here I reduce the intensity to 4. You can use 3. I reduce the intensity to 4. Look at it, super cute and dope. The text is behind the guy sitting on the mountain or rock. Can't you see? It's super cute and easy. You can try this on your phone. You can try it, super cute and easy. Just follow the steps I listed on the screen and let me know when you're done. Let me know in the comment section when you're done. Super cute and easy. So these are video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye.